welcome to HTML5. I will talk about what is HTML and how to create HTML. HTML or HyperText Markup Language is the standard markup language used to create web pages. HTML is written in the form of the HTML elements consisting of the tags enclosed in the angle brackets. HTML tags most commonly come in pairs, although some tags represent empty element and so are unpaired. For example, this image tag. The first tag in a pair is the start tag, and the second tag is the end tag. Elements can have attributes which control how the element work. In the example, this is a heading. Format use the h1 element and its ID is attribute. Attributes are placed inside the start tag and consisting of the name and a value separate by equals and quotation characters. How to create HTML? HTML can be edited by using a professional editor like Adobe Dreamweaver, Microsoft Express Web, and Coffee Cup HTML editor. However, for learning HTML, I recommend a text editor like Notepad. Before you open text editor, you need to create a new folder in any location you want. For example, I will create on my desktop. Give the name website. Any document or folder that you create or save, try to save in a simple and lowercase words to make your work more easy when you will make hyperlinks. Open text editor and let's make basic HTML document. The doctype declaration must be the very first thing in your HTML document before the HTML element. The doctype declaration is not a HTML element. It is an instruction to the web browsers about what version of the HTML the page is written in. Always set the doctype declaration to your HTML document so that the browser knows what the type of document to expect. The root element of this tree is the HTML element, which is the element always found at the root of the HTML document. Open HTML tag, make some line breaks, and end HTML tag with a slash before tag name. It contains two elements, head and the body, as well as a text node between them. The head element contains a title element, which contains a text node with the text. Similarly, the body elements contain an heading element, and a paragraph element, and a comment. Now you want to save this document. Go File, Save As, find your folder, open, give the name index.html or HTML. And click Save. Web browsers such as Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Firefox is to read HTML document and display them as a web page. The browser does not display the HTML tags but use the text to determine how the content of the HTML page is to be displayed to the users. For example, this one. Now we see our title name or head, and we see our heading and our paragraph. This is the end of the video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.